Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Terra Classic. After several days, finally now Terra Classic is breaking out the resistance of this down channel, and in today's video we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me begin with my recent trade signal of Terra Classic that I want to share with you. That was a harmonic bullish reversal setup. Recently I've shared this big weekly this pattern is formed on the weekly time frame chart, a big Gartley pattern that is still in play. And before that I shared this small Gartley pattern, not the Gartley, that was a cipher pattern that was formed on the daily time frame chart, and I shared this idea on 3rd of November. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal move, and this was, by the way, more than 30% pump, and after hitting the sell targets on, the price line again moved down. Now if we take a look at this daily time frame chart first, then I'll take you to this breakout as well. Then here we can see that Terra Classic has already broken out the resistance of a very big ascending triangle. You can see we had a support here, a touch point here, a touch point here as well, and we have several touch points here, 2 touch points here, and this was the final breakout from this resistance of this ascending triangle. And after that we had a very nice pump, and before that Terra Classic also formed another falling wedge pattern as well. Like we have this falling wedge pattern here, same as like that Terra Classic formed this falling wedge pattern here as well. First it broke out this falling wedge pattern, then that was a chain reaction. It broke out the resistance of this ascending triangle as well, and you can see that it is moving up in a way of parabolic move, and once it will be able to break out this resistance of the wedge, then this parabolic move to the upside can be continued. So far you can see it is moving inside this another falling wedge pattern that has been formed on this daily time frame chart, and now it is getting bounced from this support. Now the previous resistance of the triangle is also breaking as a resistance once again, because we have broken it down, but we have a very nice support of this falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore there is a probability that now after this bounce it will again break out this resistance of the previous triangle that is now breaking as a resistance for the price line once again. And if we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then for the past several days it was moving inside this down channel, and here we can see it formed this symmetrical triangle, and after getting squeezed inside this symmetrical triangle, finally it has almost broken out this resistance of the triangle and this resistance of the down channel as well. Once this candlestick will be closed above this resistance, then we can expect that this move to the upside can be continued. The final target for this breakout, if we watch the target for this triangle, that can be quite short target, that can be approximately at $17.000177. However, the target for this bigger down channel is here at the top of the channel, that is approximately at $0.0021, and in that situation there will be a very high probability that Terra Classic may break out this bigger resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern as well. And after breaking out this bigger resistance of the falling wedge pattern, the final target will be here at the top of the wedge, where we also have very strong resistance that has been working as a resistance here back in the month of May 2022, and recently you can see it is again breaking as a resistance, and we got rejected from this resistance that is at $0.000045. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas or trade signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care, goodbye.